It's a beautiful day and you just woke up and realized you are now a new homeowner. You may already have some items saved in your Amazon cart or be planning to spend the day at Crate and Barrel. But did you remember to change your locks? Today I'm reviewing some initial important to-do tasks as a new homeowner. Today is Tuesday, October 11th, 2022. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage-related topics. Today's topic is post-closing reminders for buyers, and I have several of them for you, starting with Keep Your ALTA, A-L-T-A. This is your settlement statement. This is given to you at closing by the title company, and it includes all the important numbers that have to do with your sale. Some of these items are actually tax deductible, so you definitely want to keep this in a safe space for when you do your taxes for the next year, and maybe even convert it to a digital copy so that you don't have to worry about keeping track of papers. If you do work with the title company that I recommend, I'm actually wearing the title store shirt today, but if you work with the company I recommend, you will definitely have a digital copy of your closing statement. Number 2 is to transfer warranties into your name. So if there are any product warranties, like maybe for your roof or air conditioning or your kitchen appliances that are going to transfer to you as a new owner, you want to make sure you call those companies and initiate that transfer. Number 3 is to review your own home warranty. Now, you're going to receive information from me about your home warranty options right before and at closing. If you decided that you want to include home warranty as a part of your sale, make sure you review what is actually covered under your policy and also mark your calendar for the anniversary date so that if you want to renew the policy, you remember to do so. The next one is to change the locks. So changing your locks on your new home is highly recommended for security purposes. And one of the contingencies in your contract, although it says that all keys are going to be turned over to the buyer at closing, you can't ever really be sure if all keys are accounted for. This process should only take a couple $100s to be resolved, but you can also just go to the store and get the items and DIY yourself. Next is to get out and meet your neighbors. Meeting the neighbors is a really good opportunity to build the rapport with the people who share the same ecosystem as you. And they might even let you know about things that are going on in the neighborhood, update you on trash schedules, invite you to some local events that you don't know about. And it's also just good to exchange information in the event of an emergency. The next one is mail scams. So this one I actually experienced a few months ago. I thought it was a real thing and it ended up being a scam. So you want to be aware of suspicious mailings that are coming in, especially if they're asking for money, if it's saying that you owe money or that you have to fill out some additional information. If you get a letter asking for any of that stuff, you want to just verify with your title company to see if they need anything else from you. You want to also verify with your loan officer to see if maybe the bank needs some more information, and look at the letter itself. Check the addresses, names, spelling on everything. Check those QR codes, account numbers. Make sure everything's legit. I actually realized my letter was a scam because I scanned the QR code and it went to some random Google search. It didn't make any sense. It had nothing to do with what the document said. So check all that stuff and then talk to your attorney if you really feel like it's a serious situation and you want some more advice. And lastly, the last reminder as a new homeowner is to invite me to your housewarming because we're family now. I'm here for the long run, and I would love to be a part of your housewarming and all the future fun things that you have planned in your life, as I plan to do the same for you now that you're in my life. So those are some post-closing reminders for buyers. Next week, I'm going to go into some for sellers, so please tune in for that. Enjoy your Tuesday afternoon and evening, and I will see you guys next week.